Hello, my fellow Homo sapiens. In front of us, we have May 2023, Paper 1, Timezone 1, question number 13. This is the last question of this paper. You may pause the video and then try it yourself before we discuss it together. Okay, this is a bearing, the one that my students hate. Let's discuss this together. So we have a boat, travel 8 kilometer, bearing 315, and then 6 kilometer, and the bearing 045. Find the bearing on which the boat should travel to return to the starting point. So for every bearing, always start with this. Okay, always start with this thing. Okay, north, east, south, west. Okay, the bearing, the first direction is 315. 315 is 315 degree. 315 is 90 plus 90 plus 90, which is 270, plus 45. So the direction will be 45 goes here. That will be nice. Okay, 45 degree here, 45 degree, and then the distance is 8. Okay, after this one, the boat travels 6 kilometer on the bearing 045. We have to make another one. Okay, I think that's enough. From here, oops. Okay, I need to draw this clearly so it's clear for us. Okay, so from that, the second direction, the boat goes this way, 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree on the bearing. Sorry, the bearing is 45 degree, and then the distance is 0.45. Okay, this is so hard to make it correct. Oh, okay, that's good enough. Whatever. Okay, that should be good enough. And then the bearing here is 45 degree. You can see it. Okay. So, in order to return, see, this is bad planning. That's why I don't have enough space. In order to return, what is the bearing of the boat? So, this is the final, and then we want to return back. What is the bearing? So from here back here. Okay, what is the bearing? The bearing will be here, yeah? The bearing to return will be this angle. Okay. Now, before we work on this, I would like you to notice some angle that might help us. Okay, I need to erase this. Okay, let's make the angle clearer for us, guys. It's so unclear here. 45 degree here. Since this is 45 degree, this one also 45 degree. Okay, alternate angle. This is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. Oh, look what we got here. We have this one is 45. This one is 45. It means this triangle is right angle triangle. Okay, that's 90 degree. That's important, so we can use SOHCAHTOA later. Another angle that I would like you to notice is this this angle. If this is 45, if this one is 45, this angle also 45 degree. It's again alternate angle. So it means the bearing will be, this bearing will be 270 coming from here. 270 minus 45 from this angle minus whatever the angle here. I will call this angle alpha. Okay, and then that will be our bearing. Okay, first let's calculate the alpha. Yeah, I will redraw this triangle. So we have triangle that look like this. Okay, this is right angle triangle here. And then we know the line here is 6. Sorry, we haven't write 6 here. I'll write it. 6. And then we know this one 8. And then we want to find this angle alpha here. So let's name the sides. This one is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite in front of the angle, this is the adjacent. We will use O and A, which is tan. So the alpha, or the angle alpha, is equals with tan inverse opposite 8 divided by 6. Let's calculate it in our trusty calculator. So tan inverse 8 divided by 6. 8 divided by 6. Enter. We have 53.130. So alpha equals with 53.130 blah blah blah. So that means the bearing, okay, sorry, it doesn't have enough space there. I'll write it here. So the bearing will be equals with 180, sorry, not 180, 270. It's coming from, once again, this line, the yellow one, sorry, the green one. What happened to me? The green one, it's 270 minus 45 degree. 45 degree is coming from this angle, minus 53.130. I can just write minus alpha. Okay, so bearing is equals with, okay, we have 270 minus 45. Oops, it's 44. 45 minus, the alpha is this, the answer. So second answer. Enter. We have 171.869. So 171.869, or the bearing is approximately 172 degree, or 172 degree. That will be the answer for this question. I hope that helps. Thank you.